Hi everyone, welcome to How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to redeem your Walmart gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the search box at the top type in www.walmart.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Walmart, which looks like this. Go ahead and log into your account if necessary, and once you're in, click on your account button at the top right hand corner and click on the account option. From this page, under your wallet tab, click on the gift card option. Now, if you've not added a gift card yet, go ahead and type in your gift card number in the first text box for your Walmart and head over to the next field and type in your 4-digit PIN code number and also followed by your gift card nickname in the next field. Your gift card information will be available at the back of your gift card. Go ahead and type in your information and finally click on Save Card. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card with every purchase you make on Walmart. Simply go ahead and purchase any items that you'd like, add it on your shopping cart, open up your shopping cart at the top right hand, and now continue to check out by clicking on the blue button at the bottom. Go ahead and select your pickup day, click on continue, and while checking out, once you add a gift card on your wallet, you'll be able to redeem with your gift card as a mode of payment. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Walmart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.